You have a soft voice. You're a soft person.
This is a Rheem heat pump with a crack on the bottom of the reversing valve. See it? I'm going to attempt to repair that leak. So to get to the joint in question, I've removed the entire reversing valve. And here it is. Can you see it? Yeah, me neither. But that joint's got a little tiny little crack in it. And I'm going to attempt to redo the joint without ruining the valve. I know, it's impossible. And now that we've established that, I'm going to try and fix it. So basically the way we're going to try doing this is we're going to attempt to protect the valve with this wet rag. I've got some water to dump on it. And I'm going to try to move fast enough not to ruin the valve. And we're going to see if it's possible to do that or not. One bodge job later. There it is. Looks terrible, doesn't it? There's no way that that's fixed. And the valve's still good. No way. Well, that's the best you're getting. We're going to put it back together now. So now I got my hydraulic swagger out and I swagged each of these connections here. Kind of mangled the pipes out. I'm doing the sensing bowl, but I'll wet rag the pressure switch and we're going to braze the thing back in. Now that that's done, we'll pressurize it and see if it's still leaking or if it's leaking even worse. It doesn't seem to still be leaking, so let's pull the vacuum and charge it up and see if the reversing valve still works. Got a freeze on there. Got full charge. Alright, we're in cooling mode right now. It's doing pretty good. We got line temperatures of cool and beer can cold. Since this is rude, to get it to run in heat mode, I have to jump these two out. And then switch into heat mode. And the reversing valve still works. It's now blowing cold out here. This line's warming up. This line's cooling down because the coil is cold in there. I'm just going to have to take my word for the line temps. There's the pressure, as you can see. I'll pull my jumper off and I'll show you the change. So there you have it. The impossible repair is complete. And that's how you fix a leak on the valve body of a reversing valve.